CloudStack Collaboration Conference 2022, the biggest in-person CloudStack conference so far. A hybrid event streamed live to impact global open source cloud computing. Cloud builders from all over the world met in Sofia, Bulgaria for an amazing event.
I think CloudStack Collaboration Conference has always brought some really unique perspectives on not just Apache project in general, but also the cloud industry in general.
This is my first visit to any open source conference, and I'm really excited to see the ecosystem, the partners, the community members. It's really exciting, and it's a completely different ballgame to what kind of experiences that I have with previous conferences that I have attended.
I'm meeting here the users of my software, users of CloudStack, talking with both of them. Of course, I'm also meeting prospects and customers of ourselves, and yeah, it's a vibrant community. I enjoy it very much to be here.
3 days, 38 sessions, 9 exhibitors, people from 32 countries, and more. The perfect place to discover new features, new integrations, expert insights, what the market is expecting in the near future. CloudStack Collaboration Conference brings together people developing the building blocks of modern open source cloud.
We use CloudStack a lot for internal infrastructure, and it's a great project which enables us to build infrastructure rapidly, but also because it's an open source project, it allows us to actually move and build in the way we like it to move. If we would use something else and the vendor would be dictating us and telling us where we need to go, that would be very difficult. But right now we have the flexibility, and especially CloudStack being an Apache Foundation project, that means it is governed by the community, not by big vendors saying, yeah, that's open source. No, it's a community-driven project. We can influence it from our small perspective, and it brings us a stable platform to build out our hosting for millions of websites.
We are users of CloudStack, and we also develop some products around it, like complementary products to CloudStack. And we are exhibitors here. We are looking to meet with other exhibitors, share some of our experience with the community, and generally develop our relationships in the CloudStack ecosystem.
And we are here to show our commitment to the community and to show a very important project to us, which is Backroll, which is a backup solution for KVM hypervisor, now included inside Apache CloudStack.
Join us to learn how to deploy and manage an open source large-scale virtualization, achieve reliability and simplicity, implement innovations, and make an impact. We bring ideas, technologies, and innovations to the world.
We have an extremely vibrant community that is very excited about the future.
The community sort of evolved over the years as the technologies evolved, but one thing at the core of the CloudStack community, it's a user-driven community.
It's all about the community, and it's all about tech and the solutions that we bring around. So I'm fairly enjoying it. It's really, really good.
This is the Apache CloudStack community.
We've been part of the CloudStack community now for almost 9 years, and meeting everybody once a year was like a ritual, and it stopped for 2 years. So it's great to be back here. And in addition to that, I think the learnings that we share over here, the ideas, you know, even while at the conference, while evening over a beer, the kind of idea exchange that happens is fantastic. That can't happen virtually, that can't happen over Zoom calls here.
But for me, it's around conversations, it's about identifying new people to collaborate with, to work on in the community. It's almost like a superset of the Apache community, which is based on mailing lists. We get together once a year, we talk ideas, we share ideas. We've got lots of obviously users of CloudStack here who are discussing directly with the developer community, and pretty much what I want out is the same as most people there.
Well, it's an interesting question, I suppose. If you look at the last 3 years where the meetups haven't been really happening, people haven't been able to travel and what have you because of all the stuff around COVID. I, having come to the first conference in a little while, I see the community as strong and as vibrant as it ever was, as willing to help out, as passionate as it ever was. So I see the community in the next 3 years growing. We see on the mailing list already so many new names in the last sort of 3 to 6 months.
That's true.
So many new companies popping up that I've not heard of before. Even there's a couple of companies here that I've been using CloudStack for years. So even now I've seen it growing, and the next 3 years I just see it growing more and more, and CloudStack becoming more and more widely adopted.